Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back if you aren't new here. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm pretty active on both of them. As you can see by the title, today I am going to be installing a neon sign in my room by myself. So honestly, if I can do it, you can do it. I have always wanted a neon sign. I feel like it just looks so nice behind videos, or if you don't film videos, it just brings a nice vibe to a bedroom. With that being said, this neon sign was gifted to me, but don't click off yet because I don't review things unless I truly like them. And I was so excited when I saw this opportunity because Yellowpop actually makes neon signs that anyone can access because they're really reasonably priced. Is that how you say that? You're gonna be doing mine and unboxing it and hanging it literally right here. I'm so excited. It's gonna look so cute. So yeah, why don't we just dive in? Oh my gosh! I am impressed. This actually comes in the most gorgeous packaging. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Here it is. So we're gonna do this. I plan on putting this right here. I will leave all the dimensions of the size that I got below. I feel like this is just a good empty space for it, and you could also put pictures around it. Okay, now for the fun part. Don't mind that cord. I have to hardwire my computer to Wi-Fi. There's a QR code that says scan me for installation tips. I need the installation tips, let's be honest here. Okay, it comes with a remote. I can like leave this by my bed. Obviously the sign is upside down. It says on air because like a little radio station. It is so thin, which is actually really nice because it's not going to be too heavy to hang on the wall. You just got to be really careful with it, and it's wrapped in plastic wrap. So I'm going to unwrap this and I'll get back to you guys. This is actually the coolest thing ever. I really thought I was gonna have to get a screwdriver out, and I got a little scared because I don't know, I just was like, oh, I want it to be easy. I looked up how to mount it. I used a little QR code, and you can either screw it in, hang it from the wall like the ceiling and have it lay on your wall, or you can use these command strips. That's what I thought. I'm gonna use the command strips because that just seems like the way to go. You can also get these in all different colors, and you can get color changing ones. I'm just happy that this dims. We have the neon sign. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a command strip on each end and hope that that works. What you have to do is take this strip off on one side and stick it to the neon sign. Why am I so nervous? Since we're gonna be hanging this like a painting, all you have to do, oh my gosh, it has a little gif of somebody showing how to do it. I don't know if I want to have it sit high or low. I did that. It looks pretty even to me. Oh my gosh, I did it. Now, since we have her up, like that was the easiest installation. Now I'm curious about all the lighting properties that it does. I'm gonna try to hide this cord eventually, like probably later today. If I'm not being lazy. Just like pin it to the wall as I'm just getting fascinated. So there's obviously a cord attached to the neon sign, and then you just have the regular power strip that you can connect to the wall, and then you have this thing that you can connect, which is a wireless LED dimmer. So you don't need this connected at all times, but since I would like the option to dim, I'm gonna. And then of course you have your strip that like needs to get plugged into the wall. Oh my gosh! I thought they messed up and I thought they sent me white. They sent me pink! I thought they sent me white because it looks white when it's turned off. Like look, it's white, right? Like just blends in. I thought that it was gonna be pink when it's not on. It's pink! Oh my god! This is actually the biggest vibe ever. My room is glowing pink. I am truly obsessed. I'm so proud of myself. Like the quality. Why? This is amazing. I will be playing with this dim setting all day. Without a doubt. Like you guys can't see that. Yellowpop has so many different options on their website, and it's super easy to access. I just took a scroll on their best selling products because I'm honestly intrigued by all of these. Like look at this sign. This is adorable, so trendy, so cute. It doesn't even just have to go in your bedroom. I just am obsessed with all the designs. They have customization options. Yes, I did that. I installed the neon sign. This is actually the coolest thing. I'm very excited that I decided to take up this partnership and get gifted a neon sign. You guys have to check out their website. They have so many different and cool options that are super trendy, and I'm honestly debating on getting another one and putting it in a different part of my room. I do have a code for 10% off these neon signs by Yellowpop. All you have to do is enter the code Pop of Neon 10 and you'll get 10% off the main collection of neons. Again, that's Pop of Neon 10. I'll obviously leave it in the description. Thank you so much, Yellowpop. This is actually the coolest thing. I am more excited now than I even was at the beginning of the video because it's such a vibe. Like, this is the aesthetic I want. This is what I want. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up to see more videos from me. I will talk to you all next time. Bye.